Yo, what's up guys? Today we're back on the channel. Today we are going to be playing, I don't know what's the game is called again, but we're gonna be playing a really fun game. We're with the Ryanair Boeing 737. Gonna start the engines. I'm gonna do pushback. YouTube, please don't copyright me please don't demonetize me for doing a real aircraft. There goes another real one. Mama, deur dicht. Deur dicht. Alright, the engines are on, so we are going to be doing... My favorite airline is probably Ryanair, so don't laugh at me. It's probably in Spain, it's a really good airline, but yeah, in America it's not that good, I think, because I haven't done any research on it yet. Alright, we're gonna be taking off on this runway. Flaps, spoilers, spoiler alert. Hey yo, hey yo. Hey, yo, did you guys see that? There's a plane literally taking off, not even from the runway. Alright, we took off. We're going right here. We're going to Gatwick. So I've done this route like pretty much a lot of times. So it's gonna be pretty easy. Alright, so first we're gonna do the flaps up. And then we're gonna put the plane on autopilot. Am I going up or down? Yep, I'm going slowly up. So guys, how did you guys like the takeoff? Just tell me in the comments. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna cut here and then probably take another video when I'm there. Alright, bye. Alright guys, we're coming in for approach. Alright, so yeah, let's try and get this thing on the ground. Gear down, flaps to land. And this is probably gonna be my first time editing like video cuts. Right, so we're gonna go here. And then we're just going to go to banking left. I don't know why I did that. I mean, I don't know a lot about my sides. First off, I thought that right was left and left was right. But that's fixed now. Alright, so we're gonna try and land this thing. By the way, sorry I was not posting a lot. It was because my dad was going on a vacation to Ibiza, and I needed his phone. I mean, I have my iPad, but for some reason, when I record on my iPad, there's no sound. So yeah, that's why I haven't been recording that much. But Andreas, he was also not recording. Alright, so we're gonna try and land this thing. Do a butter. Oh my god, that was a good landing. Brakes. Alright, you have reverse thrust and brakes on. Look at that, guys. Let's see if I can actually stop. Alright, so that was it, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, bye.